Check out this torch by Sofirn that beams up to 1500 lumens, weighs around 100 grams, has an IPX7 waterproof rating, takes only 1.5 hours to fully charge. Remember to press twice to unlock. You can check out more of their products online. Instructions are provided and they are easy to follow. You get a wrist strap and a USB Type-C charge cable. Check out this beauty. A robust built flashlight. Pocket friendly, and I believe for security guards and police officers this will make a great suitable flashlight. Make sure to charge up before use. A single tap will increase the beam. Double tap and you're on the highest beam, that's 1500 lumens. So guys, if you're looking for a lightweight, bright flashlight, then grab yourself one of these. Stay safe. Peace.